Don't get left behind. Amazon's latest A+ content update will help you increase your overall sales. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group. Let's dive in. So there's a new A+ content module that hasn't been released yet, and it's called Complementary Module Sets, right? So to access this, you're going to go to your advertising A+ content manager, and then simply go to your A+ content manager, and it's gonna look something like this. Click Start Creating A+ Content, and there's gonna be a fourth column that's there right now for some sellers, but it will be available for all sellers at some point in the near future. And if you wanna access this and check it out early, all you have to do is type in this URL right here at the top. We're gonna put it in the comments as well. And pretty much right now there's only 2 product showcase cards in single image with text, right? So you can see they have it with the dogs and stuff, and it's supposed to pop up on your content randomly on your listing somewhere, I guess, depending on what Amazon wants to do. But right now it's in beta. Very, very, very cool to check it out. And then I actually inputted it. So I did the single image with text, and I inputted random images myself. Now my design team did not do it, so give me a break. I just clicked random images just to show you guys what it's gonna look like. So we can click preview right here. And it looks like on the mobile or the desktop, on the desktop, it's gonna show, biodegradable bags for all. It's gonna have a picture of your product. And then it's gonna have product number 1, your product number 2. They can add it to cart right on the desktop, or add all items to cart, which is going to increase the overall value that you're gonna be getting for sales. It's just pretty much gonna help you generate more sales. Can't beat that. And then Amazon's gonna target it for specific customers. So maybe if they purchased this product before, it'll show this one, it'll show this. On mobile devices, it needs a little bit of work, but it's gonna have like a little drop down where they can buy both and click add to cart or add all items to cart, and bada bing, bada boom, there you go. So you can kind of see what it looks like a little bit. And right now you can click learn more about this type of content. This complimentary product set will be displayed under the title Shop the Brand Collection in the section of the product detail page where bundle type features are shown. So it's gonna be right near the frequently bought together or buy. So it's gonna be like right near this section. Or is it frequently bought? So it's gonna be like right near this section, I guess. Like something like this. So I guess it'll be pretty much almost the same as this. Very interesting. The content will not have a fixed placement, but will compete with these other features. So pretty much Amazon wants to generate more sales. They want to show customers more options. If you're brand registered, it's just another reason to get brand registered. So it's like a bonus. Can't beat that. It's pretty cool. I just want to show you it, and you might as well stay up to date on these things. So that way, when it is announced, you're like, I know that feature, I'm gonna implement it ASAP, ready to go. You can even see all the dimensions and have your designers do it ahead of time if you wanted. But that's it for today's video. Drop a comment below and let me know your thoughts on this new content. If you learned something new, drop a like, and if you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's gonna help you in your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need any help with increasing sales, design, or anything mentioned in this video, feel free to contact us at ehpconsultinggroup.com. The link is right in the bio, in the description to contact us or schedule a call. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO, and I'm signing out.